This is not your regular Nigerian yam porridge. In today's video, I will share with you a simple step or simple ingredients to achieve a classic, twisted, healthy Nigerian yam porridge. I hope you enjoy watching. Stick around and let's cook. Before this part, you will first of all roughly blend your pepper mixture, which is 2 red bell peppers, 2 onion, 2 garlic cloves, ginger. Yes, I do add all that. That's what makes it a delicious and healthier version. And then you want to go in with about 1 or 2 tomatoes and Scotch bonnet pepper according to your preference. Second part is what you saw at the beginning of this video, which is heating up some amount of palm oil. Go in with small amount of sunflower oil. It does have a different taste, or better still, skip it. Then you want to bring in your roughly blended pepper mixture. We didn't saute any extra onion because we already had 2 onions in our pepper mixture. So add in your pepper and then stir generously. Cover it up and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, it is time to season to your preference. You want to go in with your smoked catfish or any smoked fish or dry fish of your choice. Season with good amount of blended crayfish powder. It does add a whole lot of flavor to your meal. So it's an amazing healthy spice. I went in with small amount of bouillon powder and small amount of salt. Cover up and let that flavor release into your stew. Then you will bring in your peeled yam, add in some water. I went in with some unripe plantain. Like I said, a healthier version. So you want to bring in, introduce anything that suits together, that matches together, something to make it boost the nutrients, okay? Now again, stir all that together and bring in some turmeric. If you know my recipes or of yam porridges, I don't skip turmeric. Turmeric is just one of my favorite spices when it comes to meals that have to do with look like this. Okay, so if you know your way in the kitchen, you will never have cooking is a form of creativity. When you understand the process, you can transform almost anything into something truly delicious. You want to play with your I know it is very difficult from some of us to incorporate spices into our meals, but you need to take a step. You need to get used to it, and I bet you will never have any boring meal. So what I did is just make sure I incorporate that turmeric into my meal, cover up and let it cook. And then if you feel like at a point you feel like, okay, it is time to take off the head of the smoked catfish, please take it out to avoid any sort of unnecessary bones in your yam porridge or yam pottage. So again, I introduced some ripe plantain. I want to have that undertone sweetness. Like I love this combination of some amount of ripe plantain in my yam porridge. Is just for me the most interesting part. Okay, so again, stir all that together, cover up and continue to cook until you have a well cooked, tender and very soft yam porridge. Before we continue, I will say a very big thank you for watching till this time. It means you like what you've seen. Please give me a like, give me a thumbs up if you are still watching. Thank you so much. Now again, do me a favor, guys. Let me know in the comment section. I would love to read from you. Is this something you will want to try, adding turmeric to your yam porridge? Now look at the enticing look. This is what I mean by turmeric. Adding it is just for me the number one. If you can add turmeric to your rice, why not yam porridge? Now this is just my question for you. Why not? Because some will say, oh, adding turmeric to yam porridge. So let me know in the comment section, would you try this out? And again, okay, let's stop there. Now let us go ahead, stir everything together. The yam is coming out super good. If you want to smash your yam to have it very creamy, it's up to you. At this point, you can just go ahead and smash it. What I did is add in some leftover fried goat's meat. Sometimes I go as far as adding liver. It turns out super delicious. You can add in any leftover protein you have. you want to have, I love to have, see those little bones or just something to make it look very interesting, make it taste delicious, healthy, and all that. Okay, then stir all together and add in your spinach. The moment your spinach comes in, you know you are ready to go. You just want to stir everything, turn off the heat, and you are good to serve. So I kept taking off the bones of the fish because I didn't want to hurt anyone enjoying this meal. And sometimes, guys, let me tell you, I go as far as not adding any palm oil. Okay, the turmeric will do the job. It will give me the look I want for this yam porridge. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy watching. Leave your opinion in the comment section. Share with your loved ones. And yeah, you can serve however you want to have it. I went ahead to serve with some broccoli, okay, to add in more vitamins. And that's all. Thank you so much, guys. Share with your loved ones once again. See you all in my next one, and bye for now.